Hey guys, welcome back to the RC Guru YouTube channel. Now, you ever been working on your TF2 and you just want to get rid of this metal shovel and you want to put in your Delrin upgrade, even though the upgrade isn't really, much of an upgrade, but these screws, the cheap screws they put in there, with no numbers on them, both of them have stripped out. How do you deal with that? I'm going to show you today. Disregard the dirty desk. Yes, everybody, that is for sale. If you want to contact me, send me an email, send me a DM. Brand new black D44C cloner axles. Scaled out. Beautiful truck. Put some mirrors on it. We call it our Mad Max. It's an Origin basically. Beautiful truck. Back onto this one. My TF2. Look at those wheels. Wonderful. Alright guys, well I'm going to get the tools ready. And then we're going to have to attack that thing. Alright guys, so the first thing you need to get those screws out, you'll need some kind of rotary tool. And you'll need a cut disc. I have a quick change in. I'll throw a quick change cut disc in it. It's one of these guys. I'll tighten that up, put it in there, and then show you what's next. Quick change. Little mini grinder, ready to go. That little screw right there. He's stripped out and he's leaving me no choice. So we're going to take the Dremel and we're going to cut a straight line in it so we can get a flat blade screwdriver and just back that fella out. So I'm going to run the Dremel off camera so headphone users hear fine, and I'll come back with the score mark on that to show you what to do next. Do you see the score slot I put in that screw head? So now a flat driver, like a flat blade screwdriver, will pull that out. So now hopefully you have a flat blade, and then just come at that thing. Nice and slow, firm pressure. And you get what I mean? You work on that off camera for 5 minutes, turn it slow, and it'll come out for you. I'll show you once I get it out. And there. Just like that. that screw that was destroyed to the point where we had to cut a notch in the top of it to get it out. And see that? The blue Loctite on the end, even though it was just a little bit, it was just enough to be too much. Purple Loctite on your RCs, guys, or you'll be dealing with stuff like this. So that's just one of many ways to get a strip screw out, and I just want to share it with you. Like and subscribe, and peace. We'll see you on the next one.